Thanks for joining me today on this week's episode. It's episode 61 of the Digital Marketing Masters podcast. Thanks for choosing me. I know there's tons of podcasts on digital marketing out there, but you guys are listening to me and I'm ever so grateful. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this podcast on whichever platform you're listening to. And every week you'll get a new episode on all things digital. And if you are a long-term listener, drop me a line. I'm on all of the platforms: Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Drop me a line. Say hello. Let me know what you think about this podcast. And if there's anything specific that you would like me to cover, I'd love to know from you. Well, today on the show, we're talking WhatsApp marketing. And I'm giving you 5 steps that you can follow to develop a WhatsApp marketing campaign. Now, we're in a digital world. You're listening to the Digital Marketing Podcast, and marketing is directly proportional to the adoption of new technology by the masses. So in the year 2009, Brian Acton and Jan Koum came with their household messaging application, WhatsApp. Now, WhatsApp has already over 1.2 billion monthly users and has become essential for the masses to fulfill their regular messaging needs. Now, I know a lot of my listeners are in North America, US and Canada, and I know you guys are not really WhatsApp people, but for the rest of the world, we are huge WhatsApp users. So if you are an American company and you are targeting people outside the North American region, you should be considering WhatsApp as a major player in your digital marketing strategy. So here are my 5 steps for you to design a WhatsApp marketing campaign. Firstly, you got to know what WhatsApp marketing is and why business needs it. To understand what WhatsApp marketing is, the first thing you need to do is comprehend what is WhatsApp marketing, how it works, and what superpowers does WhatsApp have in the business sphere. Simply describing WhatsApp is a free mobile app that utilizes the internet connection of your phone and allows you to chat, video call, and call other WhatsApp users without any SMS charges or calling charges. All you are ever paying for is the data usage on the call or the message exchange. It allows you to share files and images as per your needs and convenience. Now, the reason why businesses should incorporate WhatsApp marketing strategies in their marketing campaigns is its power and interactive nature, its convenience and personal touch, and effective applicability. Now, WhatsApp is the most popular alternative to SMS in 109 countries. That's around 60% of the world. And every single day, 90 plus billion messages are sent on WhatsApp. So like other social media channels, WhatsApp has become a top-ranked messaging app, and it's the most sought-after messaging application in the world. And it's such a great acceptance is the reason why businesses need to run WhatsApp marketing campaigns. And as we know, WhatsApp is owned by the great Facebook. So you'll find that there's a lot of cross-functionality, especially in the advertising section of Facebook, where you can advertise on Facebook and your prospective clients can connect with you on WhatsApp. So why businesses need a WhatsApp marketing strategy? Now, the best reason is you got to be marketing. You got to play where your audience is. And right now, if you're outside North America, in those 109 countries, people are on WhatsApp. As per Nielsen's Facebook messaging survey, more than 67% of mobile users prefer using chat for communicating with businesses, and around 53% of respondents say that they will prefer shopping with a business they can message directly. So if you wish to target young prospects, then WhatsApp is going to be your best resort, because 42% of smartphone owners between 18 and 29 years old prefer messaging via WhatsApp than 19% of smartphone users who are 50 or 50 plus. So now you know if you're in that 50 plus target market, maybe WhatsApp is not for you. But if you are in a younger demographic, you got to be playing in the WhatsApp marketing space. WhatsApp marketing also ensures great engagement rates. More than 95% of mobile messages are opened and read. Now, 90% of WhatsApp messages are opened within 3 seconds of being received. Now, that is massive. That is something so significant. So, if there's anything that you take away from today's episode, it should be that 90% of WhatsApp messages are opened within 3 seconds of being received. So, number 2, know the available ways to use WhatsApp marketing. Now, to run a WhatsApp marketing campaign, you can find different versions of WhatsApp, like for iPhones or Android phones and Windows phones. And there's even a web application and a desktop version of WhatsApp. It's also available to you. But having installed the app on the mobile phone first is a requirement for every WhatsApp account, as it is tied to a single phone number. So after downloading and installing the WhatsApp, you should provide details regarding country and enter your phone number. And importing your Facebook information is also available to set up your profile, or you can manually add an image, your profile name, and activate your WhatsApp account. So for marketers or for general WhatsApp, go through your contact list, and it displays an up-to-date directory of WhatsApp users who you already know. So anyone who is having your phone number saved on their phone's address book will also recognize that you have come on WhatsApp. Well, except that you haven't done any specific security settings provided by WhatsApp, they can see you online. So one way you can direct chat with other users is on your phone contact list in a similar way as any chat program would. Now, this way of using WhatsApp allows you to call or video call your prospects or send some audio snippets to them, and I specifically like to send video because one, it's in my audience's face. They're seeing my face close up, like I'm in front of them, and they're hearing my voice, and I really get to connect with the person I'm sending the voice messaging to. I connect to them. They don't necessarily connect to me because I'm not seeing them on video. Broadcast lists are also something very nice, and broadcast lists on WhatsApp marketing, you can send a message to anyone in your contact list who has your number saved in their address book of their phones. So this is similar to a blind carbon copy in mails, where your contacts will see the broadcast message in a similar way as they see a normal message. So contacts can reply to the broadcast message, appears as normal one-to-one message, and you can send broadcast messages simultaneously to 256 contacts. Another feature on WhatsApp is the groups. Now, groups in WhatsApp marketing lets you make a group of a maximum of 256 people, and you can share messages and video to photos to all of them. And if you are a WhatsApp user, most likely you have a family chat group as well. So you know how the groups work. Anybody can chat, leave a message, respond, reply to. So in groups, any member can chime in at any time and respond to anybody else. The first thing to run a WhatsApp marketing campaign is knowing the right way to use it. It's inevitable to connect to targets on WhatsApp. Your prospects should save your contact number. Bombarding messages to customers can lead to you getting blocked for a lifetime. They can block you on WhatsApp. So you got to be sharing critical information at timely times. You don't want to be sending messages at 2 a.m. Number 3, get ideas from successful WhatsApp marketing campaigns. The mayonnaise brand Hellmann's came up with a WhatsApp marketing campaign named What's Cook to give Brazilian customers a customized experience. So the customers signed up for the campaign online, and they were asked to send photos of the items they have put in the refrigerator so that Hellmann's chefs can guide them to make what is available with the ingredients they have. So via WhatsApp, users could get more direct and more personal services and guidance in which their dilemma got sorted immediately. It provided mobile messaging via WhatsApp, and this can be the best platform to solve specific needs of customers. So this campaign was able to generate 13,000 sign-ups and got 99.5% of users' approval. That made a huge success in Brazil, and this very same campaign was then launched in Chile, Uruguay, and Argentina. And one thing worth mentioning was Absolute Vodka, and they did something really creative in 2013 when they launched the Absolute Unique campaign, which was a limited collection for celebrating the launch The company hosted an exclusive party for which only 2 tickets were available to the general public. So the company asked customers and other interested individuals to send WhatsApp messages to a particular number and interact with Sven. Now, Sven was a virtual doorman. So the users were asked to be as creative as possible for convincing Sven to get the tickets. So users sent a variety of fun-filled, crazy, creative stuff that included hilarious voice notes and interesting videos. Within 3 days, the company interacted with more than 600 users and received 1,000 plus audio, video, and imaging messages that were sent to convince Sven. So you can be as creative as you want on your WhatsApp messaging platform. Give people an opportunity to be creative, to engage with you on WhatsApp. Number 4, know the best WhatsApp marketing strategies. Now, as WhatsApp does not provide cell ad space or any specific features, while I am told that it is coming later on this year or possibly even early next year, where ads will be able to appear on WhatsApp, right now they are not available. So it's very important to be innovative, engaging, and interesting in your WhatsApp marketing approach. You ought to include a personal touch in your marketing campaigns that let consumers interact with their friends and ensures credibility with the audiences. Some examples you can do is create an engaging brand persona for WhatsApp to chat with users and build buzz, just like Absolute did with Sven. Offer one-to-one help to inspire new uses for a product. Offer great value to build a phone database, plus be interactive and engaging. You can also use WhatsApp to offer discreet advice and services to high-value customers. Encourage users to opt in and provide simple and clear instructions. Always offer relevant content for free and deliver speedy customer service. Number 5, know what's the best WhatsApp marketing campaign tools. So some of the tools that I recommend is 1, WhatsApp Bulk Sender. Now, this is marketing software that lets you find the most active WhatsApp numbers from your main list of mobile contacts, and you can send scheduled messages using text, video, images, audio files, GPS location over WhatsApp. So WhatsApp Bulk Sender is one of the WhatsApp marketing tools that also offers an option of changing your status, replying to any incoming messages with automatic replies, and changing profile photos. So it's kind of like a bot for WhatsApp. Then there's bulkwhatsappmarketing.com. Now, this is one of the premium WhatsApp marketing services that ensures accurate 100% guaranteed delivery. So you can also opt for this one if you wish to enjoy some WhatsApp marketing packages for resellers. Then there's whatsappchannels.com. Now, again, a top-rated WhatsApp marketing channel lets you have channels to all scripts, software, and tools. So the company offers WhatsApp channels around the world, including countries like India, China, Philippines, US, Canada. So it really is a top-rated marketing app with built-in tools included. So I hope that you found that this episode will give you a good start to introducing WhatsApp marketing to your business and be effective, and you're able to successfully convert WhatsApp leads to sales to eventually grow your business. So that's it for me on this episode of the Digital Marketing Masters. I'll chat to you soon.